Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to send, or rather, how to save your voice messages on your iPhone. That being said, please hop onto settings really quickly here, because since iOS 17 is about to come out, or rather, has come out in different countries, but on my end right now, I don't have it yet. Anyway, hop onto general settings right there, click on software update. We just want to make sure we have the best available iOS update available on our devices installed and ready to go. That being said, it doesn't really matter if you don't see iOS 16.6 on your end. Don't be afraid. I want you to see iOS is up to date on your end after updating your version, okay? That making sure that Apple doesn't hinder any processes available to our devices. So from here, I just want you to go to iMessage or Messages application, this one right here. As you can see, I have a sample already. Now simply click on this icon right here that has the App Store logo, or simply put this Voice Memo or voice icon right here. On iOS 17, I think there's a plus sign now right here, but since I don't have it yet, I'm gonna go to the old method. Simply click on that one and tap or hold to record. So as you can see now, I'm currently recording. Once I wanna send this right now, stop, and then click on send right there. Now I have an option that says keep right here, right? As you can see, there's a keep. I can simply press that one, and then it automatically download the audio on my device. Another option is if you don't see keep right there, you can just hold the message. Once you click on message, click on save, and perfectly you have that message stored on your iPhone. It's how you save your messages, or rather voice messages, to your devices on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.